AI isn't just science fiction anymore. It's already shaping how we work, create, and communicate. But with so many tools out there, how do you know where to start? Let's start by organizing the AI landscape into two big buckets: AI thinking and AI execution. AI thinking includes the core models that reason, plan, and generate, the brains behind AI. AI execution includes specialized apps that use these brains to do a specific job, like creating videos, generating images, or helping you write content. First, the thinking engines, the flexible brains you can use for a wide range of tasks. ChatGPT, OpenAI. Conversational reasoning and content generation with broad knowledge. Gemini, Google, multimodal reasoning integrated with Google Docs and Sheets. Claude, Anthropic, safety-focused reasoning, great for long-form analysis and agent workflows. DeepSeek, low-cost reasoning engine, there are pros and cons with each of them. Under text writing, we have Grammarly, polishes grammar, clarity, and tone. Writesonic, marketing and SEO-focused writing. Chatfuel, no-code chatbots for social messaging. Under image design, we have Canva, easy design plus AI graphics. Figma, collaborative design with AI assist. Bria, enterprise-grade image generation. Under video creation editing, we have CapCut, fast video editing, auto captions. Pictory, turn blogs or scripts into short videos. InVideo, templates for social marketing videos. HeyGen, AI avatar presenter videos. DaVinci Resolve, professional-grade video editing with AI tools, color grading, motion effects, masking. And two more AI video tools making waves right now, Higgsfield AI and OpenAI Sora. Under audio voice, we have Audacity, open source audio editing. Descript, edit videos audio by editing text. 11 Labs, hyper-realistic voice cloning. Under productivity business, we have Microsoft Copilot, Bing Copilot, embedded assistant in Office, and Edge. Remember, thinking models are flexible but raw, execution apps are polished but specialized. Pick based on your goal, data sensitivity, and integration needs. Examples: ChatGPT, versatile reasoning, but check facts. HeyGen, great for marketing videos, but can feel synthetic. CapCut, fast editing, free, social ready, but limited professional controls. DaVinci Resolve, full creative power, no watermark, but requires intensive learning. That's the big map of AI tools. From thinking models like Gemini and Claude to execution apps like Canva, DaVinci Resolve, and 11 Labs. In Chapter 2, we'll dive into each